Hi, good morning guys. Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care. Just wanted to show you that the Nissan is back. Yep, my baby is back. Just wanted to show you a real quick view of the job that they did. And again, for those who haven't seen the video, just look on the top and I'll put a link to the video when I was taking it, or what this truck looked like before I took it to the paint shop. Just a quick recap. I went to Mako and got the $6.99 paint special, and with the labor, which was they did a double or triple coating on the hood because it was rusty and it was peeling, and the top also had rust and it was peeling. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. And with labor and everything, it came up to, I want to say 13 and change, close to 1400, which is not bad. I'm not complaining. And again guys, I'm not trying to win any awards, so it is a work truck, but the main thing why I took it to the paint shop was because it had rust on the hood and rust on the top of the cab. So as you can tell, they took the logo off from the side, and I will be buying new strips to put here. And this piece right here is rubber, so they couldn't take the vinyl decal off. So what I'm going to do is just paint this little strip right here, and it should look pretty good. Again, it's a 2006 Nissan Titan with 115 plus thousand miles, and for a work truck I think it looks damn good. Now, I did not pay to get the dents out, so you may see a little bit of imperfection in there, and those are dents, and that's fine guys. Like I said before, it is a work truck. It is a work truck, and later on I'm going to make a video on how to recondition and bring those back. But yeah, just wanted to do a quick update for those who are following the channel and wanted to see what the vehicle looked like. I'm happy, right? And that's all that counts. So I have a 3-year warranty on the UV protection, and yeah, that was my main concern, the warranty on it. And that's about it guys. If you have any questions, you know, put it in the comments below and let me know. But as you can tell, I'm glad, I'm happy. It looks good, it's presentable. And now one thing that I may do is, instead of putting the logo on the side of the truck, and I know the other truck have the logo on the side, who knows, I'm still debating whether to put the logo back there or just put the logo, you know, one of those see-through logos on that window right there. So put it in the comment below guys. Let me know what you guys think. I am kind of looking at putting the logo back there because they are work trucks, I'm gonna tell you right now. So you know, I know you guys say, you know, oh man, you know, once you take it off you're gonna have that dark spot. That's fine, I can live with it. I can live with it. These are work trucks. My business is not going anywhere. And if you know, and if I do sell my business, hell, you can come buy the truck too, right? I don't need the trucks. Yeah, but all right guys, well, just wanted to show you what it looks like, the update. It's kind of windy out here, so I do apologize for the sound, but here it is. The Titan is back. And look at the link where I'm gonna put the other video that I did before I started the journey. Okay, have a blessed one guys. Pop smoke. Don't forget, green care for troops.